Alright, so what I'm doing is doing a German smear on my fireplace. As you can tell, I have done a lot, but I'm not completely done, and I didn't tape off the mantle because I'm going to paint it white. But what I'm using is this I don't know if this is mortar. This joint compound. Okay, it's this. This is way easier than mortar or trying to use paint. So what I do is just take a little bit. Let me see. And I take it. I'm just smearing it on. It's really easy. Sorry if I was out of focus. It's really easy. Just like that. Instead of trying to use paint or mortar. It's easy cleanup. It comes right off your fingers, and it also comes like right off of any surface it was on. It cleans up so easy. Seriously, this is the secret to smear your old brick fireplace that isn't cute. Sorry, I'm not good with camera work yet, but it's an easier way to deal with creating a new look for your fireplace. It's out of focus. I'm going to paint all of this white, and so far so good. I know it's going to turn out well. Alright, can't wait to see it. Oh, and what I forgot to say was that all I'm using is like this spatula. Like, that's all you need to use. You can use your fingers, your hands, but so far I've just been using this spatula to do the entire thing. I haven't seen too many people use this exactly. I put some more stuff on my spatula. But and the technique is up to you. Like, you decide how much brick you want showing, and if you want to go for that rustic look, I guess this is like a old time, like Italian look or something. I just saw a lot on Pinterest and some other stuff that I really liked, and so I decided to try it out, and it's going pretty well. Alright, next time I turn this on, hopefully I'm done with the smearing. Guten Tag! The smearing is done. I also cleared off the mantle. I'm going to use this stuff called liquid sandpaper. This is also an easy, quick way. Mommy! The baby. It's also a quick way to sand down, wood, so you can start painting or do painting or whatever. Next time you see this, I'm going to prep for painting, and I'm going to start. And like that, I have my paint set up, and then just a little thing right here. I'm not worried about the walls. The walls are going to get a different color, and the paint that I'm going to use, this is called Artic White. No, it's called Artic Cotton. And I think it's like by Pittsburgh. I don't know. But yeah, let's get this mantle thingy painted. And just like that, I have a new fireplace. You can too. I just threw up some decorations real quick just to show, I guess, its potential. I'm going to change it to Christmas decorations, but let's see. The mantle is dry, everything. I put a fan in front of it, but it looks good. Let's just enjoy the fire. Thanks for watching. If you watched all the way through this, I'm really proud of this. I'll probably be posting pictures of my Christmas decorations after I get them all out and put them all up. But yeah, here's the fireplace, the new fireplace. I'll probably post it before because it definitely did not look like this. All right, bye-bye.